Hello darlings, for today's video I'm creating a look inspired by makeup trends that I predict will be popular in 2022. To start, I'm filling in my brows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. I'm cleaning up the bottom edge of the brow to make it nice and defined with the Plouise base in shade 0.5, and then I'm tapping that base all over my eyelid to prime.
I'm alone, no one to turn to, no one understands, shit's too complicated.
The first makeup trend I predict will be popular this year is just the wing eyeliner, where you draw only the wing part of the eyeliner at the outer corner of the eye or even the inner corner and avoid lining the lash line altogether. I also think graphic eyeshadow is going to be a big hit. Looks consisting of different shapes, bright and bold colors, and designs similar to graphic eyeliner but with eyeshadow.
And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Moving on to the face, I'm priming with the NYX Hydra Touch Primer and adding a few drops of the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation in the shade Porcelain. I'm blending that with a damp RealTechnique sponge. For concealer, I'm applying the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer in the shade Fair Ivory underneath my eyes and to the center of my chin, nose, and forehead. Once that's blended, I'm setting underneath my eyes with the Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Powder using a slightly damp mini RealTechnique sponge. After that, I'm contouring with the Juvias Place Bronzer Palette in Light. I'm just applying both of the cool and warm shades to the hollows of my cheeks, around my hairline and jawline, and around the bridge of my nose. Next, I'm cleaning up and defining the contour with translucent powder. I'm swiping a good bit of the powder underneath the contour in the hollows of the cheeks, to the center of the nose, and along the sides of the nose. I'm letting that sit there and bake for a minute while I add a little bit of the blue eyeshadow to the outer part of the bottom lash line, and then I'm taking the Catrice Sungasm Luminizing Bronzer on the Morphe JH04 brush and sweeping this onto the same areas where we contoured, removing the excess powder at the same time. I also think we'll see makeup looks with less highlighter and more blush, especially higher up on the cheek to give a lifted look. After setting my face with the NYX Matte Setting Spray, I'm fluffing up my brows with the NYX Control Freak Brow Gel and curling my lashes. For mascara, I expect that there will be a lot of intention when considering the placement. Applying mascara to the outer half of the lashes makes eyes appear more lifted and open. In addition, I also think we'll see a lot more color mascara. After I've applied some false lashes, I'm tightlining with the Juvias Place Nubian eyeliner in Kajal and adding another little wing to the inner corner of the eye. Finally, the last makeup trend prediction is lifted lip liner, recently made viral by Makeup by Mario, where you overline only part of the lip, specifically the Cupid's bow area and center of the bottom lip, and stay on your natural lip line, keeping the liner very precise as you go towards the corners. To finish up the look, I'm just adding a bit of the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Caramel, and that completes this look. What makeup trends do you think will be popular in 2022? Let me know in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!